Tired of those wobbly cuts and inconsistent results? A great table saw can be the game changer for any serious woodworker or DIY enthusiast. But with so many options out there, how do you choose? Well, don't worry, because today, we're making it easy for you. We're breaking down the top 5 best table saws that deliver on power, precision, and performance. And of course, for your convenience, you can find all product links in the description box right now. Let's find your perfect saw. Number 5. Sawstop CTS 120A60 Compact Table Saw. The Sawstop CTS 120A60 is a powerful and compact table saw. It runs on 120V with a strong 15A motor, making it perfect for home or job site use. The saw uses a 10-inch alloy steel blade and works best on aluminum surfaces. One of its best features is Sawstop's safety system. If the blade touches your skin, it stops immediately to prevent injury. This makes it one of the safest saws available. The saw is also easy to move. It has a carry handle, is compact in size, and includes onboard storage for tools and accessories. Though it's small, the saw is built strong for long-lasting use and stable cutting. The rack and pinion fence keeps your cuts straight and is simple to adjust. It also has high and low shelves to help you with different types of cuts. With the quick tilt feature, you can tilt the blade easily to the angle you need. There's also a micro tilt adjustment for fine-tuning. In short, the Sawstop CTS 120A60 is a safe, durable, and portable table saw with great cutting power and precision. Whether you're a pro or a hobbyist, it's a smart choice for any project. Number 4. Bosch GTS 1510 Job Site Table Saw. The Bosch GTS 1510 is a 10-inch table saw made for tough jobs. It has a 15-amp motor that runs at 3,800 RPM, making it strong enough to cut both soft and hardwood with ease. This saw comes with a gravity rise wheeled stand, which makes it easy to move and set up. The open frame design and lightweight build help with both strength and portability. It features a 32 1/8 inch rip capacity, giving you the space to make wide cuts. The rack and pinion fence is simple to adjust using a hand knob. Color-coded index pins make it easy to get accurate settings quickly. For safety, the Smart Guard system includes a riving knife, anti-kickback pawls, and a clear blade guard. These help protect you while letting you see your cuts clearly. The saw also has a soft start feature, so it powers up smoothly and avoids tripping breakers. The electronic speed control keeps the blade steady, even when cutting tough wood. A convenience brake stops the blade in about 3 seconds. There are clamp zone areas on the table, so it can also be used as a small workbench. Plus, there's on-tool storage for all your accessories, like the fence, guard system, and tools. In short, the Bosch GTS 15-10 is a powerful, safe, and easy-to-move table saw. It's a great choice for anyone needing strong cutting power and quick setup at the job site. Number 3. Skil SBT 99-11 Worm Drive Table Saw. The Skil SBT 99-11 is a 10-inch heavy-duty table saw designed for serious cutting power and easy transport. It runs on a corded electric power source and uses a worm drive motor, known for delivering high torque and strong cutting ability. With a 3 5/8 inch depth of cut and 30.5 inch rip capacity, this saw can easily cut through thick wood and large sheets like plywood. It's perfect for big jobs that need precision and strength. The rack and pinion fence system allows you to adjust the fence smoothly and accurately, helping you make straight cuts every time. The dual-field motor runs cooler, so it lasts longer and handles tough work without overheating. The saw comes with a rugged rolling stand that includes 16-inch wheels and easy load handles. This makes it simple to move, even upstairs or across rough ground. It's built for the job site and ready to roll wherever you need it. For cleaner work, a dust port elbow keeps debris in one spot, making cleanup easier. Plus, the outfeed and left side support let one person handle larger cuts safely and easily. In short, the Skil SBT 99-11 is a powerful, portable, and precise table saw. It's a great choice for professionals who need strong performance and easy setup anywhere they go. Number 2. dewalt DWE7485 Table Saw. The dewalt DWE7485 is a compact and portable table saw made for job site use. It has a 15-amp motor that runs at 5,800 RPM, giving it plenty of power to cut through it quickly and cleanly. This saw has a 24.5-inch rip capacity, which means it can cut large sheets of 4x8 plywood or OSB with no problem. The rack and pinion fence system makes fence adjustments fast, smooth, and accurate, helping you get clean, straight cuts. The compact size makes it easy to carry and store, which is perfect for tight workspaces or transporting to different job sites. It also includes onboard storage for important tools like the guard, fence, wrenches, and miter gauge, so everything stays in one place. The metal roll cage base adds strength and keeps the saw stable while you work. The SitePro modular guarding system lets you adjust the blade guard without any tools, saving time and effort. Another smart feature is the power loss reset. If the power goes out while the saw is on, it won't restart automatically, helping to keep you safe. In summary, the dewalt DWE7485 is a small but powerful table saw that offers high performance, easy adjustments, and great safety features. It's ideal for anyone needing a reliable and portable cutting solution on the job site. Number 1. SKL 15-amp 10-inch portable job site table saw. The SKil TS6307 is a 10-inch portable table saw built for both professionals and DIY users. It comes with a strong 15-amp motor that cuts through hardwood easily and smoothly. This saw offers a 25.5-inch rip capacity, making it great for cutting wide boards. It can also cut 4x4 material at 90 degrees, which is perfect for construction and framing tasks. The rack and pinion fence rails help you adjust the fence quickly and accurately, keeping it straight for clean cuts. You can also fine-tune the blade with the parallel blade alignment feature, ensuring it stays lined up with the fence and miter slot. For angled cuts, the saw has a bevel capacity from 2 degrees to 47 degrees, with easy stops at 0 degrees and 45 degrees, thanks to the quick-release lever. The integrated folding stand has legs that fold in quickly, making it easy to carry and store. It's perfect for moving between job sites or working in small spaces. A dust port elbow helps keep your work area clean by directing dust into a container. It also has a safety anti-restart switch, so the saw won't turn on automatically after a power loss. This table saw includes a 10-inch, 24-tooth carbide blade and supports an 8-inch dado blade set with the right insert. In short, the SKil TS6307-00 is a reliable, powerful, and user-friendly table saw. It's a smart choice for anyone needing precision, safety, and portability in one machine. I hope you like this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products that are available on the market so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.